Today we have the GearFit 2 in front of us, and we will be replacing the bands here. As you can see, the bands are not in the best condition, so we will be replacing that. It's straightforward. All we will need is a flathead for this, and all the parts will be found in the description below. So to get started, we'll take our flathead and we'll go between the housing and the connection here, where the band connects up to there, and you will just want to go in between, and you could hear a click, or you will see that there's a gap there now, and that means the band has been disengaged, so it's ready to release. And there we go. It's as simple as that. Comes off. We don't have to replace both sides, but we'll go for it anyway. And same thing, just put it right in between. A little bit of pressure. You don't have to put too much force into it. It should be pretty easy. If anything, you could also like angle it up this way a little bit if you're having trouble. Alright, now that that one's disengaged, you can just pull it out like so. Here are our replacement bands, and all we gotta do is take the small one, we'll go onto the larger button side here, and just slide it right in like so. And same as the other side. And now we got clean, good bands that are not torn up anymore. Thank you for watching.